HubSpot versus Zoho CRM. Which one of these platforms is better for you to use? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be comparing HubSpot with Zoho and we'll figure out which one of these platforms is better for you to use for your CRM. I will be comparing their different features, tools, and pricing, and we will be able to get a better idea about these different platforms for our CRM. So let's get started. Up first, we have HubSpot.com. HubSpot is all-in-one CRM platform that you can also use for free. With HubSpot, you will be getting a lot of different dashboards and we get different features and tools to help us get more productive and work on our CRM. So to get started, you can simply click on Get Free CRM and you will be able to actually get a CRM dashboard for free with HubSpot. Signing up process is really easy. You can sign up with your Google account or you can simply enter your first name, last name, and email address. So I will simply go ahead and sign in to my HubSpot CRM. After the initial sign up or sign in, this is where you will get. This is the dashboard we get on HubSpot, and I will show you all of the features. So we get contacts, conversions, marketing, sales, service, automation, and report. As I mentioned before, HubSpot is all in one. So you will not only be getting your CRM, but you will also be getting a marketing dashboard and we can also get automation. So before we get into it and I show you how to create a contact, how to create an email marketing campaign, how the sales work, let's go ahead and quickly check the pricing plan for our CRM. So you can see right here on HubSpot, the pricing plan is according to the number of users. So for 2 users, the starter plan is going to be $45 per month if billed monthly. And then we have professional plan, which is going to be $450 per month for 5 paid users. Then we have an enterprise, which is going to be $1,200 per month and it is for 10 users. So you can actually buy any of the plan and you can actually change the pricing plan to your currency as well. Now, the pricing plan is actually a little expensive, to be honest, because there are platforms out there that are a little cheaper. But with HubSpot, we're getting free tools. So you can actually avail basic features for free as well. And you can go with the free tools for CRM. For example, we will be getting contact, website activity, companies, deals, and task and activities. And there are more features as well. So once you sign up for a plan or for free, this is where you get. To create in contact, let's go to contacts right here. And to add a new contact, you can simply go ahead and click on create new contact right here. So you will simply enter their email address, first name, last name. You will simply select a contact owner, job title, phone number, life cycle stage. If there are a subscriber, if it's a lead, you can simply select a stage. Then you can simply select a status as well, new, open, in progress, or what is it? So it's a new one. Then simply click on create contact. Once you click on create contact and a new contact is created on HubSpot. And now I can simply go ahead and create an email for them, call them, keep check of the activity. We can take notes, meetings. So all of the different features are available here. Then in conversions, we will be getting our own inbox, chat flows, snippets, and templates. In sales, we can create deals, tasks, documents, and meetings. Then we have payments and playbooks. In services, we have tickets. Automation has sequencing as workflow. And report has all the dashboards for us that give us insights to all of our dashboards on HubSpot. So HubSpot is all in one platform with all of the different features and tools. Very easy to use, not that complicated. Free version is available, very good for large teams, and has all the right features and tools to help you with your CRM. So you can definitely go ahead and check out HubSpot.com right now. Now let's check out Zoho. So Zoho is actually also another big company with a lot of different platforms. But what you have to do is simply go to zoho.com/CRM because we are today focusing on the CRM platform of Zoho. So with Zoho CRM, we will be able to create our own leads, generate contacts, create live chat, create email marketing campaigns, do automation, and more. To get started with Zoho, what you have to do is you can actually sign up for free. So you simply click on this icon right here, enter your full name, your email address, set up a password, and click on Get Started. And you will simply get your own dashboard on Zoho CRM. Before we get into the features of Zoho CRM, let's check out the pricing plan and compare it to HubSpot. So you can see right here for Zoho, we have a standard plan. We do not have a free plan. That's the first thing. On HubSpot, we were actually getting the free tools. So that's a big difference. Then on Zoho, the plan starts from $20, which is a standard plan, and $20 per user per month if billed annually. And we get workflows, custom dashboards, our own canvas. Then we have a professional plan, which is going to be $35 per user per month if billed monthly. Then we have an enterprise, which is going to be $50 per user per month if billed monthly. This is the most popular plan, and it has multi-user portals, advanced customization, canvas, and more. Then we have Ultimate Plan, which is going to be $65 per user per month if billed monthly, and it has 30-day free trial, enhanced free features, advanced BI, and more. So you can simply get started with any of these free trials. If we compare the pricing plan to HubSpot, then Zoho is actually cheaper than HubSpot, but this is the pricing plan for just the CRM, and you will be getting CRM, and this is your pricing plan right here. Now let's check out the different features we get on Zoho CRM. So with Zoho, we will be getting our own Salesforce automation, Canvas Design Studio, process management, analytics, sales enablement, performance management, productive sales, customization, marketing automation, team collaboration, remote work, and more. When it comes to the Salesforce automation, we will be getting our own lead management that will help us capture leads, automate lead scorings, identify leads that will convert. Then we have deal management that will help us close more deals in less time. And we can also track what stage your deal is currently in. Then we get contact management and workflow automation. With contact management, you will be able to get real-time insights about your customers, connect with teams across channels. With workflow automation, you will be able to follow up all the leads, and you will be able to automate your work. If we talk about the analytics, then we will be getting all the analytics and reports into our leads and stages. With customization option, we can simply customize different components. We can add views and filters. We get different layouts. In marketing automation, we get customer segmentation, lead nurturing, Google ad integration, and event management. So you don't have to go to any other platform. And then the important one is team collaboration. We can simply create groups, tags other reps, share sales updates, or simply add different notes for different team members in order to manage our team. And then, of course, a lot of integrations are available for Zoho CRM, such as Google Ads, MailChimp, Google Drive, DocuSign, and Gmail. So Zoho CRM is a pretty good platform for you to simply use for your CRM and get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the difference between HubSpot and Zoho, which platform is better for you to use. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.